Hey everyone, and welcome to Gadget Spotter. Today, we're diving into 7 must-have car accessories you can find on Amazon. These gadgets will make your drive safer, more convenient, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Let's get started. First up, we have the Miracase phone holder. This isn't your average vent mount. It has a robust metal hook that securely grips your car's air vent so your phone stays put, even on bumpy roads. It's compatible with pretty much any smartphone, from iPhones to Androids, and it allows for one-hand operation. No more fumbling while driving. Next, we have the LISEN Retractable Car Charger, a true game changer for charging multiple devices on the go. This 4-in-1 charger has dual USB ports and a retractable cable, keeping your car clutter-free. It delivers up to 69 W of power, so you can fast charge your phone, tablet, and other devices simultaneously. Perfect for road trips and keeping everyone's devices powered up. If you're a fan of MagSafe, you'll love the LISEN Ultra-Magnetic Car Phone Holder. This mount uses powerful magnets to securely hold your iPhone 12 and newer, or any phone with a MagSafe case. It's super easy to attach and detach your phone with just one hand, and the strong adhesive ensures it stays firmly on your dashboard. For the ultimate in wireless charging convenience, check out the CHGeek wireless car charger. This mount not only holds your phone securely, but also wirelessly charges it at up to 15 W. It has automatic clamping for easy one-hand operation and even detects foreign objects to prevent overheating. It's compatible with a wide range of Qi-enabled devices. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, the COMSOON Bluetooth receiver is a lifesaver. This little gadget plugs into your car's AUX port and allows you to wirelessly stream music and make hands-free calls from your phone. It has noise cancellation for crystal clear audio and a long battery life. For added safety and peace of mind, consider the U24 Mirror Dash Cam. This 4-channel dash cam records everything around your vehicle in 1080p. It has a large 12-inch touchscreen, a backup camera, GPS tracking, and even parking mode. It's like having a personal security system for your car. Finally, we have the Loncaster car phone holder pad. This simple yet effective gadget uses a non-slip silicone pad to hold your phone securely on your dashboard. It's compatible with most smartphones and GPS devices, and even has a small compartment for storing small items. A great, budget-friendly option. Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more gadget finds.